welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Amanda, Miss Amazon Fab over 40. I'm just back from the post office picking up a parcel. Miss Amanda Cully and my address, which I am not going to read out to you. Clearly I don't want, not that I'd mind anybody knocking on my door. It's just, after recent events in Ireland, do you really want to be giving out your address to anybody? Right. We are pulling it up here and we are going to unbox her. Wow. Quickest unboxing I've ever done. Look at this. Okay. When you open it up, you get, look at this. Posh. Now we take out, it's wrapped in, this is like it's in a box. Beautiful. Let's have a look and see. It says Code8 X Lydia Elise Millen. That's the box it comes in, guys. And the rest is for the bin. Down there. This is the box it comes in. It is the collaboration that she did with them. Now I want to see, what will you open this thing? Great. You have to have hands that actually work to open it. Come on, please open. Jeez, I don't want to rip it apart. My poxy hands. Okay, when you take it out the box, you get the same thing again. Where does this thing open? Oh, it opens like that. And it's magnetized. Now, I will keep the box part because I really do like the look of it. This thing I don't need. It'll just piss me off every time I go to open it because my hands are shite from arthritis. Okay, when you open this up, my friends, in there is the lipstick. Now let's open it up and see. It comes in very sleek black packaging. As I say, I'm opening this up with you. I haven't seen this before in person. I've seen it online, obviously. That's it. Now let's open it up. And that, my friends, is the colour. This is a Bespoke lipstick. Have I got a mirror here somewhere? The answer? I bloody well do. Because I have a bag sitting here. Hold on, I just want to turn this back down again, I'm afraid, because something happens to it. If you put the lid on, it's magnetised, people. In its box, where it'll be kept on my dressing table, because I'm just going to be a posh bitch from now on. Okay, we have out our little Tanya Burr mirror, because I have to try this on. Oh my God, I have makeup on and all, very little. I'm only going to turn it up a little bit for fear of doing damage to break it. My teeth looking fairly quiet. That's a nudie peach shade on me. Do I like it? I actually do. I can't wait to have proper makeup on and my hair done to a decent state. Yeah, that's the unboxing of the Lydia Elise Millen Code8 collaboration. And do I like it? It's on me. First impressions here. I'll get in close to the camera so you peeps can see it. Yeah, I like that. That's actually nice. My two favourite lipsticks in the world. Now, I mean, I can't include that on the list, but one of my most favourite, most loved lipsticks in the world, and I have a backup of this lipstick still packaged, is my Tanya Burr Cosmetics. And if you put it next to the Lydia Elise Millen one, it's more pinky. But it's a very, very pale pink shade and I absolutely love it. This one's a little different than I'd normally wear, but I do like it. So, yeah. That's it, my friends. First impressions, yeah, like it. Very moisturising so far. We'll let you all know in my next video whether or not this thing is anyway got any longevity attached to it. But it's very balm-like. Not a colour I'd normally wear. As I was saying, pink to make the boys wink. whereas that's kind of a peachy colour. But there is, when I look at it in the mirror, there is a kind of a pinky hue off it. It does make your teeth look quite white. And it does seem to brighten up my face a little. So yeah, do I like it? I certainly do, yeah. But I will tell you what way the longevity is. It is moisturising. Very soft, very moisturising. I'm about to make coffee, so why did I put lipstick on? What does my menopausal brain be thinking? But however, I had to unbox it because I was dying to see what the packaging was like. And it's super posh, people. Okay, my friends, if I can find it on the Harrods website, I will link it down below for you. And I shall talk to you all in my next video. Bye, people.